Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So as all Victorians would now be aware, we're out of lockdown finally. But what that does mean is our free storage for the lockdown period is coming to an end. Now don't panic. We are still doing the 3 months free storage. So if you've placed an order and you want to store it here for a little while and build up, say, half a dozen orders before you have it shipped out and just pay the one load of shipping, that's fine. We're not stopping that. But we did say that if you wanted to store it in allocated for the lockdown period, we would do that at no charge. And obviously, as I said, that's coming to an end now. So if you can either drop by the store, so level 6, 227 Collins Street in Melbourne, and pick up your gear, or alternatively contact Sylvia 1300 84 84 10 and let her know that you'd like your stuff shipped out to you. She will organise you a shipping quote and get it on its merry way in plenty of time before Christmas, because we don't want to get caught up in the Christmas rush there. If you're coming past the store, it's not a bad idea while you're on the 1300 number to actually let Sylvia know and make a booking. No, you don't have to make a booking. You can just walk into the store, but it makes it better for both you and us because we can have your orders all picked and sorted from the back of the vault, and now it's just sitting here waiting for you to pick it up and straight out the door. Otherwise, if you just turn up unannounced, then obviously we're digging to the back of the vault trying to find your 2 or 3 parcels, and it could take us 10 minutes to get there, and obviously time's money when you're parking in Melbourne, so we want to minimise that as much as we can. So I just want to reiterate, we still have the free storage here for the 3-month period while you're building up orders if you want to have things sent out. But if you'd had it stored here just for the lockdown period, now's the time to come in and pick it up. All right, that's it. We'll talk again soon. See ya.